What's going on, y'all? Nick here with HPDX Fishing with Abe today. We're out here round 2. We were out here last night. It got cold, but we caught a couple redfish. He caught, what, 2 or 3 snook? 2 snook. And we had a bunch more jumping at us. Once we started using some live bait, they really started coming in. So it got dark on us. We decided to call it and come out in the morning. We got out here. Abe got over at, what, 7:30? And it is colder than a witch's titty in a brass bra. So we're coming back out. It's getting a little warmer. I think it was down to 48 overnight, so it's pretty chilly. Putting this in and getting wet was pretty cold. So if anybody tells you that Florida doesn't get cold in the winter, they lied to you. So we're tying up some leader line, getting out to our fishing spot. We'll see you then. Try to get this.
No, it's just a weedy ass lady.
You got it? Dang, hey, that's a big one.
Jesus, he's huge.
Don't let him off.
Grab him.
Chill.
Jeez, he's massive. That's probably my biggest ladyfish I've ever caught.
Yes.
Sweet.
Take him.
Oh, sure enough.
Woo. Nice sized lady. Looks like he got hit too. A couple times he was getting chased. Look at that.
He's big, dude.
Yeah. Here.
Slimy little boy. Yeah. Pencil.
Ding! There he goes. Nice catch, brother.
Sweet.
Nice ladyfish.
Put on a bigger weight. Oh my God.
Got it. Oh, he's screaming.
He's huge. There you go. What snook? What was it?
It didn't really jump. I mean, like a snook would.
Red? If it is.
Oh, dude. It's a big fish. No!
What happened? You break you? No, I didn't break you.
Dude, that was such a big fish.
I think that was a redfish.
No, he just spit it. It didn't bend anything.
He didn't spit it? Here, you just spit it?
Yeah. All right, get that shit back out there. That was a big fish.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, that's fishing, man.
I saw him. Rash.
Hey, we found the spot, so. Oh, there's something coming up. Come on, hit it. That's it. You're catching one right now. Hey.
Hell yeah. Oh, what just happened?
Yep.
Oh shit, I saw that. You got something? He's swimming with me. I saw it run up to the line.
Little snook. Hey. There you go.
Sweet.
Nice catch, brother.
He's here. He's being all over the place. Get her out there.
Sure.
That's enough. Show your ass.
Snooky.
Snooky. Where are those players at?
I think they're behind.
Dude, you're stop. If you just chill for a sec, you'll click leave and then I can definitely was not the fish that was in.
No. I can barely hold it. Snooky! Little guy. We're looking for Grandpa.
He's been beat up too.
Yeah. I bet they were all getting attacked by all those jacks. There he is.
Sweet.
Swimming away. Nice catch, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me reel this in then. Watch it be a fucking gar, dude. See what it is. Reel it in real slow. And set that mother. Oh, it's been swimming. Dude, it might be a gar.
Look at that. Sheepshead.
Oh, there it is. It's a nice one too.
That's pretty, yeah, that's pretty big. Nice.
Hey.
Oh boy, look at it right in the side of the mouth. just
Yeah.
Like it's supposed to be. Look at how these gloves hold up.
Oh, you can grab it. Or nothing. Don't let this no hog get you. I was holding that lady by the gills, like right here, and it wasn't. Look at these teeth. Nice fish. Show the camera.